Hi, this is Sylvain from Nordik Windows and Doors, and I'm going to show you how to maintain and lubricate an awning window. So to remove the screen is very simple. Push towards the bottom to compress the spring and remove the top. So to install the screen on an awning window is like any other casement window. You want to first start with the spring at the bottom. Place it on the bottom sill of the window, compress the spring, and push in the top. So now I'm going to show you how to properly align a crank handle. So first what I do is I close the window, I place it where it lines up, and then open it up a little bit and secure the setting screw. There you have it. Okay, now I'm going to show you the hinge adjustment. So right here, if you slip your adjustment key in there, you can rotate if you want to go up or if you want to go down, so that you can center the sash in the frame. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to remove a sash from an awning window. So first things first, crank open the sash. Next, I'll detach the crank. And now here I've got somebody on the outside to help me. I recommend that you have somebody outside to hold the weight of the glass when you take apart an awning window, or else you could put a suction cup and you could do it alone. So now that the crank is detached, I'll remove the hinge arms on both sides. Now we'll lower the sash to remove it. Now we're free. And now to go back in, the glider goes back in the track, slide it up, and then we'll attach the hinge arm. The next step will be to attach the crank. And then we can close the window. Okay, now I'm going to talk about glass maintenance on a window. So we recommend that you use any type of glass cleaner that is ammonia free, because ammonia will sit on the vinyl and it will dry out the vinyl of any door or window. So I recommend lubricating your doors and windows with Jigaloo, which is a silicone based lubricant. So you want to apply this on the hinge track on each side of the window. I recommend that you lubricate the windows in the spring and fall, so twice a year.